This is my 4th course with you guys, and in this time we have talked about text quite a bit, and you have learned quite a bit about text, a lot more than what I think most people do. I've been doing this on purpose, but there is a secret hack. There is a cheat sheet that you can use that's going to help you essentially automate all of your text. And the reason I didn't tell you about it is because if you knew it from the very beginning in your career, you would never learn the things that you've learned, because you wouldn't have to. But eventually, it would come back to bite you in the foot when you wouldn't be able to do something that someone else could. That's the reason for it anyway. You know how to use the animation text tool that's built into After Effects. Now we're going to be looking at the animation composer plugin that is very, very good. I highly recommend this for all of the reasons that you're about to see in this video, but it's essentially a little window of pre-made text animations. It's as simple as that. And when looking at Bart VFX videos, we can clearly see that this is what he's using. That's not a diss or anything. That's nothing about his character or the quality of his content. It's great. He puts one of these out a day. So if he wasn't, using some kind of cheat sheet, he would have to be a little bit insane. But this is okay. This is not a cheat. I said it's a cheat sheet. It's a effective tool that we can use to speed up our workflow. So, how does this work? I'm going to be using this on a fresh install because I don't use this too often, but it's very good, and I should. But we are going to come to our presets. We're going to see a couple of different presets, and we're going to be able to see all of these like pop-in effects, all of these, rotate, all of these things like that. We're going to want to ignore these, and we're just going to want to come to Transitions, Text Layer. We're going to come down to this drop menu, and we're going to come to Animate Words. What we're wanting to do in this instance is have a kind of slide from the left, and we can do that very, very easy. So let's just come to, where am I? This is really the biggest part of it. Let's just grab coming in from the left, and let's apply it to this text. Let's go animate in, so it is the first, it animates in, and then we get this little icon here, this little marker. This is going to indicate where the animation ends, so we can see right off the bat, if we let it render, that's what the animation looks like with no work. I haven't done anything. I've clicked one thing and I've moved a marker. This is how good this this plugin is, and it's so quick. Let's have a look at another example. This is a piece of text very similar to a example that we have done or have seen in Bart VFX's videos, with that kind of thin text and then the bold text. In fact, I might actually make this just a little bit thinner so we can emphasize that, and then maybe bring it all together just for the sake of it. If we can, there we go. And then all we have to do is just pick which one we want. It's as simple as that. For this case, I know Bart VFX has done something very similar to this effect, so why not just do it? If we let it render in, and done. This is an example. It's as simple as that for some of these. Now, that's not necessarily the one that you might be wanting to go for. I think this is the one that Bart VFX used in his videos. But this plugin is amazing. So use it if you have access to it. It's as simple as that. It's going to save you hours. And I'm sorry for keeping it from you for so long. The only reason I've done so is because so many video editors don't know how to use the text animate tool. Learn to use it, which you have, and then you get the cheats like this, because you need to know how to do that, because one day this tool won't cover what you need to do. But if you're doing stuff that's simple like this, use it, because it's great. It's going to save you hours. Good luck with the next one. We're going to be looking at how to make this text look fancier with some effects.